God create us. God create a world perfect, no sin, no fear, no sorrowful, no problems, no sickness in our life because of sin. God gave Adam and Eve freedom to choose the fruit of knowledge and evil. What you choose to be sin. Remember, our brother and sister, that God perfect create this world, but because our ancestor, our fathers, Adam and Eve, sins against God, because the sin entered this world. That's why we are. This is result of sin, because we have a painful, we have problems, sickness, everything in this world, because this world, of course, because